Hey, today we will be reacting to Total Idiots versus Trains. There will be crashes, there will be close calls, there will be all kinds of vehicles flying around, being destroyed. You guys like this kind of stuff. I already know from the feedback I'm getting. You guys like this kind of stuff. So here we are. And yeah, without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, let's begin. Crash zone. Oh, not the dog, man. Okay. That's thank God they didn't get hit. It would have pained me too much if the dog would have gotten hit, you know? Like, goddamn. Oh, that's a problem. You can't back off now. So much power just going into it, man. What in the that was powerful. Oh no. What are you doing, man? With inches. He escaped with mere inches, man. This man. Wait. I was looking at the volume. I need to see that again. Oh. Yo. He's lucky he didn't get sucked in by the air. I think that can happen. Like, you can get sucked in by the... Dude, you are... Whew, he noticed it. Thank Christ he noticed it, you. Oh no, that car isn't... Yeah. That sucks, man. How do you explain that to the insurance company? Like, yeah, my car got hit by a train, but it wasn't my fault. Dude. Damn. If that car was getting towed, you know, I don't know the situation, but... Oh. Well, that's stuck. Did it get stuck from the bottom? Like... Oh man, the horn. It's going so slow. The train is going so slow. Damn. These people don't care. These people don't give a shit about the situation. That's an annoying sound. But it's good to give some kind of sound signal when you're coming. I mean, if there are no beams like that, like those gates or whatever, it's good to have some sound at least. What is this, man? Why? What are you doing? Well, you know, I don't understand. It doesn't take that long for the train to pass. You could just wait. Like, why are you running in front of the train or driving in front of the train when you could just wait for a couple seconds for it to pass? You are not in that kind of hurry to get somewhere that you can't wait for the train to pass. You are just not. Aww. It's fine. Somebody get the dog off the tracks. Oh man. Oh, a cow. No, please don't get hit. Nah, I'm not... No. Come on, man. That was just sad. That cow is dead. For sure. Because the cow is just... It got hit hard. That's just sad, you know? That's just sad. God damn it, man. Now you ruined my mood, video. Come on. Come on, dude. Come on now. That's an old school train. That guy just skimmed through like it was nothing. No care in the world. He's just walking down there. Okay. Oh no. Oh no, this is epic music. This is epic music for the situation. Okay. Okay. What are you doing? Are you trying to derail the train or something? No, you are throwing that. Yeah, the train is coming, man. The train is coming. Okay, people are running. Give that guy a goddamn medal. Give that guy a goddamn medal or something. This guy who saved him? That's what everyone should aspire to be. God damn, dude. He just... He went... Like... he went there. He went there. He wasn't afraid to die. He just wanted to save the guy. God damn. That's inspirational, honestly. Just look both ways before crossing. Look both ways before crossing, man. Come on. Just look both ways. What is the cyclist gonna do? What kind of dumb move is gonna happen here? Yep. Look both ways. Look both ways. Don't just look one way. Look both ways, okay? Oh, that's not... that's not gonna work out for you. Yeah, that's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage. Oh! Something about things exploding like that. Things getting destroyed. It's just... This one I've seen. This was in the last video. The driver got out before that crash. It was in the other video. But, dude, like... Something about things exploding and shit. It's fun to watch, isn't it? As long as nobody's getting hurt, it's fun to watch. And even if somebody's getting hurt, I mean, in some cases, like... Everybody knows Jackass, right? I think Jackass is fun to watch. Okay, I think Jackass is fun to watch. I'm waiting for the new movie, Jackass Forever. I can't wait to see it. It comes out on the 18th here in Finland, so I have to wait for a little bit. I think it's already out in USA. That's a lot of damage. That's a lot of damage, dude. Why do you just... There's a stop sign, and then there's red lights flashing, and you just are like, yeah, I'm driving. I'm driving out there. Oh. That roof is gone. That roof is gone, dude. God damn. Wasn't this already in the video? Yeah. That's a replay. That's a replay. That is a replay. Oh. There goes... there goes another one of those. Oh, a school bus. Got slammed, absolutely slammed. I think... Wait, can we even see this last one? There's so many suggestions here that it's kind of hard to see what's happening in this last clip. But I sure can tell you it's not good. It's not good. Alright. That was trains throwing cars around. And people escaping with their lives with mere inches, you know? But yeah, that's the video. If you like this kind of content, you can leave recommendations in the comment section of what you want to see me react to next. Also consider subscribing and leaving a like. I would appreciate it a lot. As always, have a fantastic day.